many people unemployed here in the Philippines. Many people in the Philippines are unemployed. About 2.15 million people are unemployed. Most people blame the government because they are corrupt to the people. Others leave their own country to work in another country just that their life can advance and their children can finish the school. There are many reasons why there are many people who are unemployed. Firstly, they did not finish their studies. Secondly, their skills are not brought out. Thirdly, the standard of company here in the Philippines is high, and there are why many people are employed in the Philippines. This is what you must to do progress in your life. Finish your education, listen to your parent advice, study what you want to do. Above all, don't blame the government because I think if you're done everything you're supposed to do, your life will be successful.